Welcome to WORxK Global News. Today's highlight examines a critical question for organizations. Is your executive team really a team? While we often picture teams as groups working in harmony toward a shared goal, many executive teams fall short of that vision. Instead of collaboration, executives may prioritize departmental interests, creating silos that hinder overall success. The article identifies several warning signs of dysfunction at the executive level. A lack of trust and open communication often signals deeper issues, while unclear roles and responsibilities can cause overlap, confusion, and accountability gaps. Perhaps most damaging is when leaders focus on their own agendas instead of the organization's mission, fueling toxic environments and stalled progress. The consequences are serious. Poor decision-making, weakened innovation, and rising turnover can erode both performance and morale. In contrast, a truly unified executive team can drive growth, foster culture, and set the tone for organizational resilience. Best practices for strengthening these teams include establishing a shared vision, building trust through open dialogue, and reinforcing accountability. Team building, leadership development, and continuous feedback are vital in creating cohesion at the top. This has been your WORxK Global News Update. Stay tuned for more insights shaping the future of work.